repairing your own credit automatically. First, click the Add button to create a new contact. Then, fill in the fields related to the contact information. Now, click the Dispute Item button. Then, click on Automatically. Read the instructions on how to retrieve your credit report until you have it in your Windows clipboard. Click the Paste button to paste the clipboard to the paste field. Once pasted, just click button number 2. Click on the Go to Disputes button in case that you are not redirected automatically. If everything has been done correctly, you should see all of your disputes and all the letters that are assigned along with the descriptions, account IDs, creditors, credit bureaus, and dispute types. Additionally, the date to be printed should be assigned automatically too. Next, click the Select All Due to Print button. This action will select the disputes to print now based on the status and the Due On Date field. Next, click the Print Disputes button. You will be presented with several options. Next, click the Selected button to print all selected disputes. You can select to add a PDF backup automatically or not. For now, click Don't. Select the printer of your choice and click Continue, and your letters will be printed. After printing, this window will pop up informing you that the status has changed to In Progress, and how to proceed when you receive answers from the credit bureaus. The last piece of the equation is what to do when you receive the responses from the credit bureaus. So, to change the status, just click on it and select Deleted in this case. Now the status has changed to Deleted and it is green. In this case, there is nothing more to do with this dispute since it has been deleted or updated as intended. Now, we are going to see how to handle a verified dispute, one that has not changed. First, change the status to No Change to indicate that the dispute was verified. Then, click the Duplicate button to create a copy of that dispute. Notice that the duplicate dispute has the To Do status, and except for that, is identical to the previous one. The next step would be to click on the letter field to pop up its menu. Usually, select the Verification of Procedure after Verified Item to dispute again this item. Because the status is To Do, this dispute will be selected automatically when you click again the button number 2, that is, Select All Due to Print. Now the letter is selected and ready to be printed after clicking button number 2 and then button number 3. Then click the back button to return to the main screen.